In a town nestled between rolling hills and meandering rivers, there lived a young girl named Maya. Maya was unlike any other child in the town. She possessed a love for painting. Every day, Maya could be found in her cozy attic studio, surrounded by jars of colourful paint and stacks of blank canvases. With a flick of her wrist and a stroke of her brush, she would bring to life scenes of wonder. But Maya's true treasure was her grandfather's old paintbrush, a worn and weathered tool that had once belonged to a great artist. One starry night, a soft glow began to emanate from the paintbrush. With wide eyes, Maya watched in wonder as the brush began to move. And then, with a burst of light, the paintbrush flew over to Maya's hand. Maya gasped. She held in her hand a paintbrush unlike any other, a paintbrush imbued with the power to bring her paintings to life. Maya dipped the brush into a jar of paint and began to create. With each stroke, the canvas seemed to pulse with energy, and before her eyes, the cat she had painted came to life. Maya set out to explore her newfound gift. She painted fantastical landscapes and magical creatures. One of her beautiful creations was the phoenix, a magnificent bird with feathers that shimmered like liquid gold in the light of the sun. Another of Maya's creations was the forest guardian, a towering figure cloaked in moss and leaves, its eyes gleaming with ancient wisdom. But perhaps Maya's most beloved creation was the starlight unicorn, a creature of purest white, its mane and tail flowing like liquid moonlight. But Maya felt the toll of using the magical paintbrush. At first it was a fleeting sensation, a slight dizziness or a momentary lapse in memory. But as she continued to bring her paintings to life, she noticed that her energy waned and a weariness settled deep within her bones. As days turned into weeks, Maya found herself growing increasingly fatigued, her once bright eyes dulled by the weight of the magic she wielded. She struggled to focus on her paintings, her mind clouded by a sense of unease and uncertainty. Maya realized the power of the magical paintbrush came with a price. With each painting she brought to life, Maya felt a piece of herself slipping away, lost to the swirling mists of magic that surrounded her. And as the days passed, she began to realize that she could not keep using the paintbrush without risking everything she held dear. Maya made the difficult decision to set aside the magical paintbrush, choosing instead to focus on painting for its own sake. Maya knew that true magic lay not in the power of the brush, but in the beauty of the world around her.